thing. It's still week one. So I want to just make sure if we don't do nothing crazy, guys, this week, again, same thing. If we don't have a crazy weekly close, right? Then more than likely we'll do another, another lick to the downside. That's the week one range, week two to the downside, sweep that shit, and then could go. So I just want to take it, day by day until we form this weekly candle to make, any type of bias here because it's too early to say now. We're just seeing early signs, right? But we don't have that confirmation yet. The real confirmation will come with the new 1-2. It needs to make another higher high, come back down and give another entry. Then we'll have that full confirmation. If not that, then again, like I said, we're gonna go down one more time, take out the lows with the week two. And we're sitting right in the 50% of this previous range now. So note all those things, right? From this low to that high, right? We're exactly at the 50% of it. And we came down to do the previous lick that that I told you guys long ass time ago, right? Watch this level and finally filled it. But this time we now made it like a relative equal low as we done that, right? We still held the previous lick. That's what we bounced. Again, we didn't gap below the previous lick, right? That's why it was cool to try the longs here, which it worked out since we didn't fair value below the previous lick. But now it's all up to what we do and what we create from this point on. Right? Can we gap up? Can we take this gap out? Can we make a higher high here? Is the question. If we do want to, reverse already, right? Then week two can give you the higher low. But if we don't do anything significant here and close still with another lower high again, right? Then that's the week one range, and we'll get the week two sweep to the downside and take these lows out most likely and fill the GP. All right, and we got the gap right below it with the GP. Yeah, XRP looking crazy. Same thing with this though. If it doesn't flip this gap, then whatever it's ripping here is just gonna get licked off again, hit the GP plus the gap, and then it's gonna get rejected again. And then probably do one more lick next week. Same story. So if we don't flip and then make a higher high in the 1-2, then it's probably gonna do one more lick. Because this hasn't even grabbed the wick all the way. It only barely grabbed the wick by 382, not even. And then if we look at the whole range from here to the low, right, we're just at the 0.5. So same story. It needs to gap up on the daily, create another gap, make another higher high, and then come back, make a higher low, then we can rip those. Bro, this thing was booking, bro. I told you guys right there off that on that day, man. Bing, it did the lower low and then boom, higher low. No gap down. Right, so it's important to always watch, guys. Don't get bearish because we took the low. Watch what we do. Are we gonna gap down? Are we coming back up? Not gapping down, then it's already telling you guys something. Like I said, right? Then you can expect a new gap up at this point, which is working on. So next tomorrow candle makes a higher low, then it will make a gap, right? Then you can target the highs. Then it could work on to push the highs and do a weekly close. Then it could have a higher low next week. No need for another low. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This still the 3 day. This 3 day is running now. It did the mega open low and it's doing the high close. So the next 3 day candle open low makes a higher low, right? That would be the perfect play now. Since we have the confirmation candle here that we're not gapping lower, the next 3 day candle. So if this can push a little more and then close, will be nice too. Since now, it's coming right into the 3 day gap. So we want to start inverse this and make a new gap up. Then this thing will start to rip. Esther's brewing too. ITP though, since it's not gapping up no more. And now again, if we swing here with the lower high, then it's gonna come back down and do another test here. USDT though, look at it, Sailor. Right off that level. I'm telling you, this was the max long Q1 going into Q2. You feel me? Came to the same level again. Look at that. I think it's cooked, bro. I think USDT's cooked. It looks just like here now. It did the thing low key. Did the mega lick and took the lick of the mega lick like every time. It's interesting here. We could eat this pushing too. New 4 hour candle. It's gapping too. Gap on gap on gap. ETH hasn't seen. I haven't seen that on ETH in a minute, guys. 4 hours just gapping and gapping and gapping up now. We haven't seen that since the 4200. Man, look at that, man. That thing is crazy. Crazy daily rejection right on Wednesday. This thing is crazy now. We were finally doing a Wednesday move up after a down move, not open high on Wednesday. Something's changed here, gang. For real, for real. You guys see that formation changing now? Yup, and look at this 3 day candle. It's gonna close like this. So the next open high, that'll be the mega snack. Also, if you guys see here, when we put in this top with the time shift in Q2, it also put in the high on week one. So definitely possible. But for week one low to be confirmed, we need daily gaps, which we haven't popped yet. So after we can pop that daily gap, then we can confirm the monthly low is in. Everything with Bitcoin dominance couldn't even make it. I said watch the 23 day, it's looking wicked now. Came to grab those levels. Yo, Peter, look at this, man. Kind of cooking. Bitcoin dominance too. Yoinking now with the mega lower high. You're mega loaded, Peter? Or are you waiting to load more on the higher low or something? So the week one low things, week two higher low, just like April. I think so. If we can see some gaps, I think it's definitely possible, man. Like I said, we need to do the higher high with the new mini 1-2 on the daily. We can send off of that for sure. Right on Wednesday. It's been a minute, man, since we sent on a Wednesday like this. Feels like we're back, low key, bro. For real, bro. I missed the Wednesday low, open low, higher low things. It's been so long since we did that. Ever since I TP'd my ETH at 4.9, bro, it's just been doing the bullshit, bro. Been so long. Yes, sir. We did the mega open low too. Cleared all those lows out. Yeah, it literally came to the level, so that's just crazy, huh? We was literally talking about those levels for if we start to lose them higher levels. And look where we came, bro. Oh, EBTC looks stupid too now. Oh my God, we're cooking, bro. We just need to go hit that red zone and we finish the thing. You know what I'm saying? On H5's chart. Bro, we hit that red level, bro. We're all rich, man. Yeah, if we look at USDT and Bitcoin dominance and ETH BTC and things like that, it shit looks cooked now. Let me check others though. Actually, let me see here. Scroll through these right quick. Yeah, total is cooking too. Okay. Others is weak. Stable took out the highs. No gap up. Oh shit. Look at the others.d slash Bitcoin. Started to tweak out. Hey, this has to be the low on this, or else it's really going to zero. For real, Peter. Look at this, man. That's for real. The last level on the other slash USDT. So it's all coming. It's all saying the same thing. At this point, no. Everything telling us something, 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 something. Like if we sleep here, man, you missing the move type shit. This is where the things go fast, real quick, super fast. That's the thing. Like all these move up that will happen, guys. It will happen within. We don't even have that much time left. And then if we're lucky and get like an open high on Q1, then that'll be like an extended move. But that'll be the best. You know what I mean? Other than that, it's going to be very fast and quick. We're going to have to be, you know, we'll have to be quick and fast and focused. If not, you miss the move, FOMO the move, don't TP and get cooked. Yeah, if Q1 does open low, bro, then we're doing a continuation. And then Q2 open high and then zero. If that happens. Which I mean, looking at all these, all these things, they're literally at the fucking multiple year lows. You know what I'm saying? And they're just chilling. So time wise, if we were given an extra quarter to juice, then it would make sense. It would work out. There's room to take out. Damn, Sailor. Bro just fucking grabbed every fucking data and said it's ready now. Yeah, I think what really does it for me is that we kind of grab the wick now and we're not gapping down no more. So that's the starting point now. We just need to confirm again with the. So I'm watching the daily chart, guys. We need to gap on the daily. If we fail to gap on the daily and again, once again, make a lower high, then that's bad. For sure, for sure. So we can't just get excited here, is what I'm trying to say. But all the signs are coming. For sure, for sure. Signs are here. We just need to see them gaps now in a higher low. And we're ascending off of that. Exactly. So what's really gonna cut it for me is like, like is the order flow itself now. Can we gap up? Because if we can gap up once again, then monthly low is in. Right? After taking out all the lows, if we can gap up on the daily, that's the monthly low. Then we can start to work on, to move to the highs and put that monthly high in and follow that along. Also, guys, really crazy chart. I shared it with you guys yesterday, but this thing is really brewing, guys. It's literally at the bottom, 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 bottom. Look at the 3-day candle, the next 3-day open low. Oh my God, bro. You guys look at this, man. Like for real, man. This is a mega setup. Like, I love setups like these. Super clean setup too. Super, super clean. And look at this lick wasn't even that crazy. It's not horrendous. It's not that it didn't destroy the chart. It was just a little sweep. And then now we came back to rebalance that wick perfectly. Look at this. Boom. Like, tell me that's not about to rip, man, off the next open low. I'm mega loading. Bro, just to this high is 350%. I'm definitely loading. But these are what I'm talking about. First high target is 350%. The first target. It's just right there. That's just like couple candles and you juicing easily. Yeah, I'm loading Popcat, guys, off the next 3-day open low. This thing is mega brewing. It's not gapping down, took out all the lows. Rebalance the wick right into the fib. All the signs are there for me on this one. Mega bull dip on the daily. Oh my God. Yeah, Stosh is gonna get ready for the next 3-day open low. We already got that bull dips going on the daily too. So it's mega brewing on this one, man. We just need that little 1-2 off of this move up, and it's fully sending. Imagine selling the spot right here, though. Let's check out this. Mmm. They've been juicing this, like I told you guys, man. The biddy. If you guys took the call on this one, when I told you guys when it took the lows out, it should be mega printed. Oh, more than printing. Telling you guys, biddy is a very good source of hedge. This is the shit that Doodle taught me. lot of fear in the market, huh? Yeah, a lot of people I talk to too, they're mega bearish, man. I think at this point everybody wants to see lower. CFX almost at the level too, swinging nicely into this gap. We have to watch Chinese ETH, guys. It's at the bottom, 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 bottom. Literally at the floor, dancing. Look at this. Oh my God. Hey, bro. That's the 23-day open low, man. Look at this. Right into the GP. And no gap down. Right into the GP. This thing needs a new gap and we're sending. Watch CFX too. We got the divs coming in too. Price lower, low, higher, low, oscillator, lower, low, higher, low. Need to be cooking here. Yo, Kramer said we were in a bear market. Oh yeah. Shits are loading, man. That's the confluence we needed, man. Waves? Isn't that the mega scam coin though? I remember that coin from back in the day, bro. It's the mega scam coin. Yo, what is this though? What the fuck? Mega shitcoin. Oh my god. This thing looks horrendous. There's like no order flow. Bro bought this at 18 and it's at 66.6. You're the devil, bro. What the fuck? Look at this. This is exactly at 666, bro. You bought it at 18 and you sent it down to 666. That's crazy works. Anything else you want to look at? Oh yeah, Ave was kind of looking crazy yesterday. I remember. I think we need to kind of scoop back into a position on this one, guys. Low key. You guys need to peep that Ave coin, man. It's mega loading. 23 day looks crazy on it too. Yo, Quay, your mic on, bruh. For real, bruh. You gotta edit to the easy soundboard, bruh. That was gnarly. I'm fucking dead. It's not gapping. Oh shit, we're failing the lower high again, guys. Look at this. Look at the lower high again, bro. We came so close to the higher high, but it failed the dream, bro. No gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap. Ever since here, this move is getting thinned out right now. But it is flipping though. It is flipping and flipping and flipping. So this is the last place where if we kind of lose this level now, then it's gonna start to break down again and start to go fill those. But if we hold here, then it will push for that high, for the higher high. One more time. So just can't lose here. Then we can still take out the high, make that higher high. And if we do make that higher high, probably make a div here too. Make a fat bearish divergence right there if we make that higher high. Up and tomorrow's Thursday. So this is what I meant. If we don't fill these gaps, right, from this move down, which we didn't, then it'll get filled later, which most likely will be after these moves. And it can come back, take all these lows and fill that and give us the higher low. Hold it. Yeah, so long as it doesn't lose 103.9 103.325, then it's cool for another sweeper. It would be nice to see a gap up though, above this high. Then it'll juice all the way to this high, bro. But if we sweep here, then nah. So watch that. Watch for that. If we mega gap up again here, then teleporting. And it's high probability to take out this high now, just even looking at the fibs, right? Like it already blasted through all the GP, so it's holding all these levels now. And we flipped all the gaps. Yup, 3 day close on it. Oh my god, that's kind of gnarly though, man. Jesus. Needs to start swinging here badly. Yeah, as long as we can knock gap down below the GP to look for something like that. The dinosaur coins with the fat exit leaks. Also CRV, bro. I scooped some CRV. I don't know if ETH will ever hit 10K, bro. $10K pesos, bro. I'm fucking dead, dog. That's very possible. Let me look at this shitcoin chart one more time. Oh, fuck. She looks nasty. Ooh, look at this shitcoin, man. It's really worked up. ETH looks clean though, for sure, for sure. Mega knock gap down through the last. This typical right here. Hey Zell, watch it pull something like this and make you excited, and then make you excited, and then boom, back to my entry. But it's inching closer and closer back to my entry, bro. Ever since here, bro, it's getting closer and closer to my entry, bro. It's not that far now. My entry not that far now. If you really think about it, here it was far. Now here it's like it's halfway there, bro. It's halfway there to my entry. If you really think about it, it's really halfway to my entry. Ever since my entry, let me see. It's to the high. Yeah, it's literally more than halfway. It's almost at the Jeep. 60% to my entry now. Bro, it's the Mega 1-2 setup, bro. Gave the entry at 25 bucks or some shit like that, bro. And ever since then, that shit never came back. We could have just taken that one setup and just printed the whole year. Literally. 3-day close in 3 hours. And make sure to manage risk, guys, after this close, because definitely gonna do another open low. Even if this the bottom, it still has to do another higher low before it can swing. So watch for it. Sick. It's kind of swinging. Gold trade was good too. I TP'd right there off the last night move. This shit moves so slow, bro. I was just like, damn, this shit is a turtle, man. I'm not used to that shit. It's so fucking slow. QQQ looks good too. So strong, man. See, look at this bearish dip. It's just been going on forever. It's just been boiling. The mega div. I just want to see what this thing looks like once this thing actually start cracking. How'd you pull that up so quick, dog?
iPhone photos has a search feature. Just type deviance.
No, that's his wallpaper.
For real, bro. That's his wallpaper, bro. For real. The standard deviance. Any other shit coins y'all got to watch? That looks crazy.
Jay,
Oh,
remember AIA with Mar?
who?
AIA. Mar was talking about it.
Oh, I think so. Oh, what the fucky? What is this, dog? This should look like a scam chart.
Yeah, bro, crazy.
Yeah, you don't touch this type of shit unless you got some money to lose.
Bro, we're like, you got to put that on like the 2x or the 5x because
Oh, you
too
gotta do this.
risky.
You gotta do this bitch on 1x or something, bro. Like, this shit will lick you instantly, bro.
Well,
Watch.
that's a 30% move to the downside, eh? That's
Bro,
crazy.
watch. Watch, bro. Okay, that ain't that bad. I think you could. Actually, you could use 10x on this, bro. At this point. Because you can
Really?
see. Yeah, because look, like, you don't. I'm not guessing it, but just look. Just say you took the long here, right? Just say. And you're trying to
Yeah.
cover that low, right? It's only 2%. You
Yeah,
could
but
definitely use
on the
10x.
6, though. You want like the
Yeah.
6?
No, on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying?
Isn't
But
1 minute crazy?
yeah. But then like crazy shit coins, bro, on the 1 minute, if you see like that move, like that much down will be like 15%. Those are the ones that you gotta use
Yeah.
super low leverage because like just even to this low, it's 15%. Then you gotta be on a 2x, right? Or else you're getting cooked, even to cover this low. You know? That's how you kind of like calculate it mentally.
No, yeah,
You know what
that
I'm
makes
saying?
sense. It's like co-AI, bro. That moves like 50% in one candle.
Yeah, bro. Core AI
Crazy.
is different, bro. That thing you'll get licked instantly, bro. Bro, Sailor, bro. Remember this shitcoin, bro? Oh my God. Yo, it's looking crazy now. Bro, the Aleo shitcoin, bro. The Mega Bull Div, Mega Lick, no gap down, gapping up now. It's working on something. It's working on a mission for a higher high here. Let me see the weekly. I bet it should look crazy. Oh, look at that 3 driver. Yeah, it's back, bro. This is crazy. Remember when we caught the bottom on this sailor? This shit is back. That's crazy, man. Everything is back to where we put in the hard motherfucking work in Q2, bro. It's really back at it, bro. It's funny as fuck. Oh yeah, watch Solana too, guys. This thing looks nasty though, bro, for real. Nice reaction on the daily. Needs to gap up on the daily. Another higher high. Shit. What the? Render looks good too. Me and Steen was talking about it yesterday. Bro, this thing came back all the way. That's the mega play, man. Look at this. That's the mega ABC. And it's still making the higher low now here at this point. Watch render for the 3-day swing here, guys. What makes the lower high though here? That would be crazy. Mega short again. Yo, SPX looks kind of like filling this gap here now. This might need a little bit more of a drop, man. SPX also. I'm telling you, this thing will go crazy, man. Gave the setup for this one over here in Q2 too. Now we trace the whole move and a higher low. They didn't even take out the lows. So this is super healthy compared to a lot of things. Oh, what the hell? Hold on, guys. I knew it was a good idea looking at this shitcoin. Hold up. Bro, this thing done the higher low and the higher low. This is already ready to go. It's like plattered. This thing always front runs too. It did the whole thing. And came back on and higher low. See, a lot of things right now, guys, literally this first candle, but this is what I'm talking about. It already did the whole thing, came up, popped a new gap, came back down, made the higher low, popped another gap up, made another higher high, and came back now, made another higher low. So this is like ready. And look at the Stoch too. This one you don't have to wait for 1-2 or nothing. It's already done the 1-2 after the lick. So these are full confirmation coming in on this one already. I haven't seen a chart like that actually
Oh
has
my
that.
god, is this Jay?
Shut up, man. What's going on, Jit? But why'd you have it sound like a little white girl, bruh? You're silly, son. What's up? What you been on, gang?
Yo, dog, I'll go check my freaking big time bag. Holy shit, I'm cooked.
Bro, how much that thing have, bro? Oh, you really missed the
Nigga,
exit on it, bro.
2
Damn.
cents, cuzzy. Two
Oh,
cents.
fuck,
Nigga,
bruh.
damn near a
Oh,
cent, bro.
shit. Hey, but it's low
Yeah,
key
nigga,
though,
that
bro. It's time to load, bro. I think I might need to scoop back in here and then, get it back up to this point. Run it back turbo. Low key, bro. Hey, where's your entry at? Like 50? No.
it ain't 50, cut. It's 0.5,
Okay,
0.15,
okay, okay.
0.15.
Wait, where?
Nigga talking about 0.15.
Point 15. Okay, 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 okay.
But I
Okay,
think,
okay.
bro, Loki, I think Coinbase has been robbing me, bro. Cause you remember
Point
last night I
15.
told you
Point 15. Doggy entry
I
up
bought
here, bro. You're bro.
I know, bro, I
Doggy
know.
entry
But you
up
remember
here. Shit.
I'm fucking telling. But bro, you remember last night I told you, bro, I'm about to buy BTC, right?
Yes, bro.
Tell me how that shit filled me out 104K. And I
Bro,
bought like
bro, that's
late
why.
afternoon yesterday, bro.
Bro, you got scammed, bro.
Bro, I can't make this shit up, dog. Let me show you this shit.
Bro,
Bro, I
that's
can't make
hard.
this shit. I bought yesterday afternoon and I got filled at one. Like, bro, I don't understand this shit, bro. I low key got scammed.
High key got scammed, bro. You need to show them, bro. You need to send them an email and be like, look at the timestamp and look at where the chart was and look at where y'all filled me. You
Yeah,
know
I'm
what
gonna
I'm
have to.
saying?
I'm gonna
Type
have to.
shit, bro. Like, I mean, they're doing you grimy, slimy, bro. But it was a fat lick though yesterday, low key, bro. Shit was tweaking out. I mean, bro, even my lev got filled at 98 something, bro. So I don't know. That's on KSEX. So I took a snack off of that shit yesterday.
Still in KSX, nigga.
Yeah, I have money on KSEX and bitunix and Blowfin. I just fucking spread it out, let it work.
Spread it out and let it work. That's
It's
crazy,
crazy, bro. Why you always have to make shit sound dirty, bro? Why is it
nigga.
this? When I said it did not sound dirty, bro, but like right after you repeated the same words that came out of my mouth, it sounds nasty now.
No,
What the fuck?
it sounded dirty when you said it.
Bro, because y'all are sick in the head, bro. Y'all are sick in the head, bro. That's
Yo,
why. Y'all need Jesus
bro.
Christ, bro. Like when I said that, what I didn't even think about it. Dead ass. I didn't even think about it like that, bro, until Chris repeated it. I'm like,
Heck,
now
you're
this boy.
dirty to the core. You don't even think about it, and you're dirty.
Damn. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy work. I'm fucking dead, bro, Chris. You really hit me with that crazy shit, bro.
Me, you said it. I ain't say shit.
Yes, you did.
No, you said you gonna spread it out. Yes or no? Did you not say
Wait,
that?
but how the fuck did you get filled at 104? It's at 104 right now. Like it just hit that.
That's what I'm.
But
That's
how
what
the
I'm
fuck you
saying,
buy last
bro.
night and get filled at 104, bro?
That's what I'm saying, bro. They don't fuck with me, cuz they feel you at the top every time.
Oh yeah, bro. They really cooked you.
Honestly, that's the first time that ever happened to me. Like that's the first time that shit ever happened to me. Nah,
Yeah, you stay getting finessed in the market, son. Bro, the big time play though, bro. What you gonna do with that? What's your game plan with that?
I consider that money loss. I'm not gonna lie to you, buddy. I had like
Son, I
I had like
consider
five,
that money
bro. I had
gone.
5 grand. I had 5 grand in there, bro.
5 racks to zero?
900.
Nine, oh, damn near zero? Fuck, 900? Fuck, damn. Just take off the nine. There you go, bro. Zero. That's fucked up though, for real, bro. You should have just listened to me, bro, when we scammed up here. You should have dead ass bought more, like I told you. Cause even me, I bought here and then I ended up buying more here. You feel me? But that's where like my decision of doubling down here, I was able to exit here with hella profit. You see what I'm trying to say, bro? And that's where you fucked up, bro. You didn't double down here when I told you to, bro, and you could have exited with me, bro. You feel me, bro? Because even just that was the mega scam, bro. That shit printed. Just even that doubling down there was like a smart choice. Because if I didn't double down, because I'll be just like you right now, probably $900 left. You know?
Yeah,
Yeah, at this, bro, I knew it was cooked, bro. That's why I was like, I need a out. Because even this move, I thought we would do a bigger move, but we stopped right here and we stopped gapping. I'm just like, oh no, that's it already. So then from that point, I'm just like, yep, I just need to take the money that whatever that I averaged in, I just need to TP, be happy with it, and not look back. And then now I look back, it's here now, bro. So now it's looking great again. It took everybody out. It took everybody and their mother out. And now Chris is at 900. So this is good time for me to scoop in here and then send it to at least here or something and make a quick little bag. 200%. See what I'm saying?
yeah. Hold on. I'm
Yeah.
texting. I'm texting these. I'm texting
Yeah.
these fucking Coinbase niggas.
Hey, but look, low key though, if it pumps 400%, bro, it'll be back to your entry, bro. You'll be able to get out, bro. 400%.
Really?
Yeah, 400%.
400%?
Yeah, 100%, bro. You'll be able to get out, break even. But if you double down, cost another five here, and you can get out right here, bro. With mega profit. Oh, not even profit. You probably can get out right here with break even if you double down. But this
No,
could
not.
happen though. So if you want your money back, that's the only option. Just the same way that I had the decision here. I'm like, if I want the money back from here, then the only way was to double down, bro.
I'm not doubling down on that shit coin, bro. I'm not doing that shit.
Yeah, then you just gotta say goodbye, bro. You probably see 2.5, you gotta TP there and take half the money and be happy with
Right
that.
now, you can get rich. Hell no, I ain't buying that shit. You caught me cooked. Bro, I don't even think they're active on Twitter anymore, bro. Let me check.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, but that's what I'm trying to tell Chris. I told him the same thing, literally over here, bro, and that's why I doubled down here and I was able to get out with hella profit. Not, oh my God, I'm cooked. You know what I mean? But it's the same scenario here, bro. This here, you could, you know what I'm saying? Mega load and get out here rich. I mean, two back to your entry, you'll be mega rich. You probably make good 30 off of it.
Bro,
30, 40.
I'm not
Bro, 30,
investing
40,
back in you.
bro. Literally though, 30 if you double down five here, that's 10K position, bro. And then from this point, you probably have your average probably be like somewhere here, bro. So then you
Okay.
just need to you
You
just
know,
need
I'm
to
closer. I'm
you just need
closer to
to
being down
yeah, never
10K
mind, bro.
than
Never mind, bro. Yeah, never mind, bro.
because, bro.
It's just yeah, never
Because
mind.
look, it's at 20. It's at 2.27, bro. That shit. That shit, bro. Nigga, it takes, bro. Look at this wick. I'm already down like 30% on this wick that it fills back up right here, bro. Nigga,
Make up
I
400% to be break even.
bro,
It's
hell no.
fucked. Yeah, you're fucked. That money's gone, bro. You probably see that shit probably like next cycle, bro. When big time makes like a little push, next cycle, bro, you probably able to, come out in profit or something.
Honestly, I don't even care about that bread no more, bro.
Yeah, you're gonna check next cycle and that bitch gonna be at 10K and you're gonna be like, where did 10 bands come from? Oh yeah, I remember last cycle I fucked up and I just left it there and now look what happened. It's low key, bro. You're gonna make some bread off of this next cycle. This is your long term investment, fool.
Nah, bro. Buy high solo. Low key, this is what happened. The funny thing is, bro, I thought I was gonna be a low end and I was gonna sell at the fucking at at the beginning of the year. But nigga, this shit just kept on dipping. So I was like, fuck, let me just leave it there. But the dip just kept on dipping. What you want me to do?
Double down, exit, like me. I told you. But you're like, nah, twin. I'm scared, twin. And I was like, all right,
That's
bro.
cow. That's cow.
Bro,
I
that's
don't
not
even think I.
cap, bro. That sounds fictional, bro.
Yeah, your story sounds fictional.
No,
I
what you're
ain't. I
saying,
ain't say
what you're
shit.
saying sounds fictional, bro.
I don't remember. I don't remember. You telling me that I ain't gonna lie to you, Brody.
You gotta nah, bro. You fucked up, bro. You fucked up, bro. You had the
Nah,
chance,
I'm
bro,
cool.
to double down when it was recoupable, but you got scared. You feel me right here?
Oh,
I remember that, bro. I
wait, what?
remember you texting me
Wait.
this day, bro. You're like, bro, I'm so cooked, bro. I'm so cooked, bro. Yeah, I remember that, bro. Every time this thing made a low, bro, this fool texts me, bro. And be like, Jay, bro, I'm low key cooked, bro. I'm like, bro, you're high key cooked at this point, bro. Bro texted me at every low, bro. He was like, bro, I'm cooked. What do I do? And I told him, bro. I was like, bro, you just gotta double down, bro. And then ski out of here whenever we juice. But he didn't want to do that. He didn't want to do that. Now look at it, bro. Now it's max paying. You know what I'm saying? At this point, this should have been your triple down point. At this point, you know what I mean? You should have been bought here. You should have been bought here, and you should have been bought more here. Then you could exit right here with hella profit.
Sure, that sounds like gambling.
No, bro, at least you can get out with money, bro. That's why spot is recoupable if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing and just gonna sit there, then it's hard to even recoup what's recoupable. Like, no joke, though. Think about it. Yeah, well, it costs you more to hold that, right? You have to put more money into it, but at least like you can put more money into it and get the money out, rather than, put 5K in and never see that money again. I'd rather put, another 10 and make 15, 20 and get out, and be happy with it. Hey, at least that's what I
Uh,
would do though, son. I'm just saying. See, I told you now, right? So if this thing blasts, bro, and it's all the way back up there, you're gonna be like, twin, I should have just doubled down, twin. You feel what I'm saying? So
bro, I'm not doubling down on this shit.
you should have been triple down at this point. You're right. I'm telling you, bro. Buy high and buy low again and buy low again and buy low again.
I tell you, just completely low, and then your bank account is low too.
That's what I'm saying, bro. It would just drain you out all the way. Hey, see, bro, double. Hey, what y'all guys think? You guys think Chris should double down and take the risk right here, or you think Chris should just sit and do nothing and just hopefully get 2.5K out? What would you guys do? It's like a little quiz for your self. What kind of decision would y'all make if y'all in a situation like that? Because like I said, that's what I would do. At this point, if I was Chris, I would just fuck it and double down, put another 5 in it, and then get out there, at least knowing I can get my money back and some change versus just, maybe if that get 2.5 or never see that money again.
Nah, bro. You need to take that money and then you need to half it. And then take half of it, you put it in now, and then if it goes a little lower, you put the other half. So it's the
Yeah.
same as doubling spread out.
Yeah.
So if it goes against you a little more, you still got funds. And then when it turns around and goes to the first entry or that double down, you're going to be in a good profit. And if it continues, then you're killing.
Amen.
It's a high risk, but
Yeah, definitely high risk, but I think it's a risk I would take too, you know what I'm saying? Like in my case at least, but I guess Chris don't want his money back.
yeah, because the way it's looking right now, it looks like she wants to turn back. Even
Exactly, that's
if
what
it's
I'm
just
saying.
even if it looks like even if it corrects to the local high, he's gonna make his money back, bro.
Exactly, that's my point. He doesn't have to target the high here, he doesn't have to target the high here. He could, get back out here. You know what I'm saying? And this is nothing. This could definitely easily, if we reverse, we're definitely taking that high out minimum. And that's just structural, like it's not guessing. You know what I'm saying? That's our next target if we do reverse here, no matter, if you're happy or not. So I think that would be a smart idea to, scale in a little bit. And then you could get your money out. You feel me? And that's exactly what I had to do right here, bro. I'm telling you. If I didn't double down here, then I would have just been at same scenario. No double down, no TP, just still sit and then just drag it all the way to this point now. Then I would sit here again, come with another choice again, and be like, okay, now should I double down here at this point? But if I was in that shoes, I would have. Fuck it.
Nah, okay, you right. I ain't gonna lie. I did not expect bro to sound like that.
Right? I'm like, who's this Puerto Rican in here?
You can't sell because there's not enough buyers. It's not. It's two different t-shirts.
Yeah, that's a Peter problem. That's why you gotta sell in little batches, bro. He tried to TP one, they're like, not enough buyers. Damn. Cut down the TP in half. Well, it does. Peace out. Yeah, but I want to look for leverage position on big time, guys. I'm taking the risk here. The next 3 they open low. Then we can target these highs for exit. Easy. Hey, Jake, just take a swing long on it, bro. You make the money back at least. If that.
Low
Think
key,
about it.
that's what I was thinking.
Yeah. I think that's a smarter choice, bro. At least you can hedge your spot back. I mean, your spot will go to, 2.5 and then you make another 2.5 on leverage, then there you go. You made your 5 back. And one day if it comes back, you'll have extra money too. You see what I'm saying? And then one day comes back, you'll have a little extra money. For real though, I'm gonna add a swing long off the next higher low. So on the 10x. And just hold it to the high. Feel me?
You said 10x?
Yeah. You, bruh. What else do I be doing on the shit coins, bruh?
5.
Man, what have you ever seen me do a 5x, bruh?
Alright, I'll put 500 on that bit.
Say less. Just make sure to catch the open low, though. You know, damn, it's this one, bro. That's really cooked, bro. Fucking OP, bro. It's really took out the low, bro. This is the
My
mega
fault.
setup on OP, guys. Mega,
I got
mega
bags
setup.
on. I got OP bags too. Bro, bro, you know what's a shitcoin? Tia, cuz.
Bro, how do you still have that, bro? Bro, I don't know how you still have that, bro. Bro, that's a true shitcoin, bro. Damn. Yeah, after this low, I'm telling you guys, bro. After this low, the dream of Tia just became a nothing, bro, and it just now made new low again, and then it made another low again, and then hopefully it's gonna do some sort of a reversal with everything else. Because at this point, this thing is just pure shitcoin, bro. Did a whole banana to the downside. Like, how do
Nigga,
you
that shit is.
manage to hold the shittiest coin possible?
I have a big bag in there.
Imagine, bro. Imagine you took this when you took the fucking bro. You'd be other direction, bro. See what I'm saying?
What's that one coin that had done some shit like this back in 2023? It wasn't
Bro, there's
Turbo.
too many coins, bro.
It was TRB.
Oh, the TRB scam? That was like
Bro, that shit was crazy.
that was last year, in January.
Wait, what the fuck happened with ZEC? What the fuck?
Zcash? That shit went off the 1-2, bro. The only thing that went off the 1-2, though. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Look at that, bro. Oh, man, bro. This thing really just fucking sad. Like crazy. But looking at this though, guys, like nobody really expected this thing to take out all the highs and then make another high type shit. It literally took out the 2021 high, bro. No coins doing that. No, I didn't see what that is, though. I need to look at it. I need to study it, bro. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's only on spot. Shit looks crazy. See, this is what I'm saying, bro. These spot charts, some spot coin didn't even do anything off of that lick. And that's why I truly believe, bro, that mega lick that we had was just purely for liquidating leverage positions. Where that mega wick at? That's what I'm saying. Where that mega lick at? Not here.
The 18 billion day.
Yeah, bro. You see on this chart, where's the mega lick? No, none. Because why? No leverage. So likes the privacy coin. For real, bro. You're getting the kid excited, bro. This kid gets excited over shit like this. Not no candy. If you give so candy, bro, he will smack that shit out of your head. Be like, the fuck is this? Show me something better, bro. And he's going, man.
Wait, how old is So?
Bro, he's a big kid now, but he's gonna be 18 soon, no?
Yeah, in March.
Yeah, in Q1, he's finna sliding into Q2, he's gonna turn into the Mega so, not little so anymore.
That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, big
Imagine.
so. Yeah, I'm gonna call you big so after you turn 18. But till then, you still little so. Fat so? Damn. Damn, you fat so?
Nah, I'm really skinny. Bro, you know
Fat
what's
so.
funny? My brother used to call me Fatso, so like Fatso, and I thought he was trying to say Fatso, like me, because my nickname's So, and I didn't even know that was a word.
Yeah, bro,
Crazy.
that's a whole term. Like that's a whole word that you call a fat kid. Hey, you fat so?
Yeah,
It's like that. You know what I'm
yeah, but
saying?
I thought he was meaning Fatso. I didn't even know that was a word. I'm like, I don't think that's a word, bro. And he's like, bro, are you retarded? I'm like, oh shoot.
Yo.
Yep, he's gonna be big so next year, bro. You better be trading fucking 5 chicken per hour by then, bro. You know what I'm saying? Not no
5
half
chicken
chickens,
per
bro.
hour?
Yeah, 5 chicken, 5 Costco chicken per 1 hour.
Hell yeah. You mean the Costco chicken?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, Costco chicken is so nasty, bro.
Bro, that's just nasty. The roasted chicken, bro, that they have, that preserved one, bro. You get sick if you eat that.
Yo, that shit is disgusting, bro.
What's wrong with rotisserie chicken?
Nigga, Costco rotisserie chicken is ass. It tastes fake. It feel fake. That shit
Chicken
just
is
pure
chicken.
ass. No, nigga. That shit don't taste like chicken, bro.
Oh, it's coming from Chris,
Have you
bro.
had chicken
He would
before?
know. He would know, bro. Telling you.
That
If
shit don't taste like
Chris
chicken at
says it
all.
doesn't taste like chicken, it's not chicken, bro.
Bro, you seen that guy on like TikTok talking about the rotisserie chickens? It wasn't with his shirts or whatever.
Yo, I love that guy. He's funny as fuck.
Yeah. What's his name? Like Jewish something? I forgot his name.
Nah, but he's hilarious, bro.
2 hours
Yeah.
left
Old dude.
till the 3-day close.
Oh shoot! Look at that.
Bro, Ethan's looking nasty on the 3-day.
Telling you, bro, it's gonna do another fat open low, bro, and cook out everybody again. That's why I'm waiting for that 3-day open low, bro.
Bro, how do you short Korean fried chicken, bro? Like, how do you even do that?
On
That's actually
50x
so
leverage.
hilarious.
Not
Bro,
knowing
you're
shit about Korean culture. His
Exactly.
reasoning is ridiculous. Koreans and fried chicken not going anywhere.
Bro, that's the dumbest shit. Why would you, bro? You need to long that shit, bro. Well, that shit is so good, bro. It's only getting more popular and more popular over the time. You feel me? I don't think Korean fried chicken is something that you should be shorting, bro.
It's like I thought they were gonna become healthier and stray away from.
He's like the population of Koreans are declining. Like what?
No, that's
Like
true though,
half
but
of
the culture of Korea is expanding, bro. Because I don't know why American people love fucking Korean shits, bro. It's weird, but like they just
yeah,
do.
no, it is for
Like even
sure.
other
We got
Asian
too much.
countries, bro. Like even in Thailand, like they love like the K-pop shit. It's all that Korean K-pop shit, bro. All that crazy shit, bro. They just like all that shit. I don't know why.
Yeah, Korea's weird, right? We
Yeah,
don't
it
like
is.
Korea
It's
here.
hella weird, bro. I don't fuck with Korean people, bro. Like I'm Korean. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah. Bro, those K-pop idols, bro, they got like more makeup than girls, I swear.
that's what I'm saying, bro.
But even that new Netflix movie, what was it? K-pop Demon Hunters? Was it that? That's
Yeah,
weird,
type
bro.
shit, type shit.
I ain't gonna lie, that